and then it's like, I called it out, and Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. We're gonna be talking about all the summertime favorites we've had in July. So much amazing stuff for the summer that I've fallen in love with, that I've used so many times. I will not add a product to my video unless I've used it consistently. And you guys, I have so much amazing stuff. But before we get started, please go ahead and take one quick moment to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video if you do like it. So let's just go ahead and stop rambling and talk about my favorite items for July. Let's start with foundation, moisturizer, skincare, all that good stuff. I think I've talked about this many times, either in a favorites video or just in a haul video, but I'm gonna say it over and over again. This is gonna be the Physicians Formula Skin Vitamin Shot. I've been applying this first on my bare face, and then I go next with the Wet n Wild's Primer Base Serum. You've probably seen these in many times in my videos, but I really enjoy this. I can't get enough of it because when you apply it, it mattifies, but it's still hydrating. It's not greasy. It's honestly one of my favorite primers at the moment. It's just my favorite primer, that's all. So I've been using this combo for the summer when you want that juicy, glowing, and hydrated skin. This is the combo. Moving on to foundation. For the summer months, I have been loving the natural skin dewy kind of look, but I don't like heavy coverage for the summer because you're out there, you're sweating your ass off. So I have been loving this foundation, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. This foundation is, I would say, a medium coverage foundation. It definitely can build to full, but why the hell would you want to build this up to full when it's beautiful the way it is? You just, oh, it smells so beautiful. This gives your skin the most perfect skin-like finish. It does have coverage, so it's not like too lightweight. I've been loving this. All right, moving on for blush bronzers. My favorite bronzer for the month of July has been this Wet n Wild Sunset Striptease Color Icon Bronzer. It is broken. I don't know how this broke, but it is. But I've been loving this because it gives your skin this nice radiance bronzing shimmer. Not glitter, it does have shimmer. So it'll give you, that's actually what I'm wearing on my face today. You can use this as blush as well. Oh girl, I got some issues up in here. I've been using this non-stop for that, you know, barely there look. This is the kind of bronzer that you want. Kind of like sheer to medium, definitely buildable, but I love to just go with one layer of this, and I love to just bronze up my entire face with this, and it just gives you that beautiful toasted look, like you just literally came from the beach that we all wish we did come from. And then for blush, I have been loving this. I purchased this probably 3 months ago, and for the entire month of July, I've been using this non-stop. This is the Physicians Formula. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the color Vintage Rouge. I know, you've seen these all before my videos, but guys, I am gonna be talking about stuff that I really use. I use this so much. I'm actually wearing that on my cheeks today. It gives you the most beautiful, just like the perfect, natural, healthy skin blush kind of a look. Like it's your own flushed cheeks, if that makes sense. It's like buttery goodness. It just goes in. It's not creamy, don't get me wrong, it's not creamy, but it's not chalky, it's not powdery. It just gives you such a nice, my favorite way of wearing this, which is like my next favorite, is gonna be this brush. I've been loving pairing this together. I've been using this blush, I can never say blush. So this is the Real Techniques blush brush. You can buy this anywhere, Walgreens, CVS. It has the perfect amount of density. It's very soft. This is perfect for when you wanna go for that wash of blush, like that natural whoosh. And I just love to just feather it, and it just gives you like that perfect, beautiful cheek, like it's natural. It's just perfect for that natural summertime look. Something else I've been loving that is a blast from the past that I've been loving as adding it as a topper to all of my blushes is the Luminoso Powder Blush from Milani. I love to just add this on any blush. I'm actually gonna do it right now. Like it just gives you that beautiful peachy glow. Whenever you wanna make your blush look peachy, just add this on top of any blush. I don't know, it just creates this gorgeous Luminoso, what it is. Don't we all love the Luminoso? Next, oh my gosh, you guys, this is such a gem that I found at the drugstore. Why is everything drugstore with me? This is an incredible highlighter that I found, and I just saw it and I loved the packaging. I love that it said Halo on it. It's the After Sex Glow. Guys, this is so stunning on the cheeks. This gold here and even this mixed in is just so beautiful. It's such a natural beaming highlight. It's not like the non-there highlight. No, this is a beaming highlight, but in the most natural way possible. When you apply it, it does not accentuate your texture. It does not accentuate any lines. You know, these highlights be doing that nowadays. I know you guys do that, but this does not do it. It's so buttery, like molten gold, but in a goddess-like way. Does that make sense? You see how beautiful that is. I've been using this nonstop, so highly recommend it. For eyes, I want to talk about a palette that I have fallen in love with back and over again, especially for the summer months where all you want to do is a peachy look. And loving this Flutter by palette from ColourPop. This is like the perfect peachy summer palette. I love this color here. It's a cream eyeshadow and it's so beautiful and it's so stunning on the lid on its own. It just gives you that gorgeous sheen. This packs a punch if you want to use it on your crease. This goes well. This looks very beautiful if you pack this in the outer corner or even underneath your lash line for that pop of purple. This burnt, beautiful peach color called Crossroads. You put this on the outer corner, girl, and this will make you look peachified. I don't know if I talked about this in my last video or I think I mentioned it, but I didn't really talk about it. I was still kind of testing it out during this last month. This is the Gilded Gold palette from Milani. I can safely say this has been a favorite of mine for the month of July. The reason why I didn't like it at first is because when I would apply the mattes on my eyes, they come off like in a different color, but maybe it was because the brushes were dirty. My favorite thing about this palette is the metallics. They go on your lid so beautifully. That's the Dioro color. And then this one is the Ultra Gilded color. You guys, this looks so stunning on the lids. This one is called Boss Lady. All them boss ladies out there. Look at that, stunning, beautiful, penny colored. My favorite one is this one here called Rose Nugget. Stunning. Let's swatch you if I had any more fingers left. Let's swatch you over here. Look at the rose. Do you see? That could even be used as blush. The mattes, I'm not obsessed with, but the shimmers, everything you just saw, love it. All right, next, I've been loving one concealer for the month of July. You know, I mean, I love all my concealers, but I feel like I have not talked enough about this concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. It's like medium to full coverage, but highlights your under eyes beautifully. It stays on all day. It's not matte and it's not drying either. I've been reaching for this non-stop lately and I really, really enjoy this. And I've just been falling back in love with this. This is the month that you're just falling back in love with old stuff. Do get a shade lighter though, because that's what this is perfect for highlighting under the eyes. All right, let's jump into a little bit of skincare I've been loving lately. This is my nighttime moisturizer. I don't have a robust nighttime skincare routine. This is the Belief True Cream, the Aqua Bomb. This is like putting hydrating water in your face and it's just like amazing. And I love to use this for nighttime. It just feels cooling on the skin and you just wake up with your skin. You feel like your skin is like baby's butt when you wake up the next day, not exaggerating. Paired with that, I've been also loving the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This applies like jelly. You apply it and it's just incredible. You know when you apply something and you're just like, damn, that is moisturizing. That must do good for my under eyes. That's how I feel with this. Next, part of my nighttime routine that I've been doing every single day, and I know these are all tiny little products, is because I like to try stuff out first. I don't like to buy the big bottle unless I've tried it. I'm trying out this Belief Hungarian Water Essence. I don't know what essence is. I've never tried essence before. I've heard that you're supposed to be incorporating it into your nighttime routine, and I feel like this does good for removing like your blemishes and stuff like that. Let's say you have a pimple, you want to kill all those suckers, you put that before your nighttime routine, you fall asleep, and then you wake up the next day with your skin very evened out. I don't know how it does it, but I've been loving this lately. The last step that I do as my nighttime routine, I do apply a lip gloss, and I've been loving this one lately. I'm almost done with this. This is the Kopari Lip Glossy. And I realized that when I'm doing my nighttime routine, I don't apply anything to my lips. You should be applying a lip treatment. You should be keeping your babies moisturized at all times. So I've been loving this. It has a coconut scent to it. It's a perfect gloss. It's not too tacky. It's gloss. Like it's not, you know, it's not a lip oil. And I feel like it really hydrates my lips. It does a really good job. So I've been loving that lately. And then last but not least, for lip products, I have been loving these two lipsticks lately. This one is the Essence. This is Nude color. Oh, I love this kind of tone of nude. I've been using this non-stop whenever I'm doing those natural daytime looks. This is my go-to lipstick for that. Another color I've been loving, it's this one. It's called Hella Pink from Rimmel London. I've been using this non-stop for whenever I do peachy looks. And this is a little bit more on the peachier side. I'm gonna swatch it right next to it. But guys, when I tell you that these are so creamy, I didn't think I was gonna love this at first because it was like buy one, get one half off. But It is so beautiful on the lip. The formula is so creamy and buttery, and it just stays on miraculously on your lips, and it just has the most beautiful tone of peach. I almost forgot setting spray. Probably no one ever talks about the setting spray. This is the Ulta Beauty Rose Water and Aloe Setting Mist. I love the spritz on it, like the, what do you call this? I love the way it sprays on your face, and I love that it's so refreshing. Your makeup will stay on all day with this. I would definitely recommend this if you're out and about on your day and you just want to miss something on your face because you feel hot, whatever. This is so nice for it. It smells really good. It's cooling. It feels just amazing. All right, guys, that completes my July's favorites video. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope your summer is going great. It's about to end, and soon will be fall time. My favorite time of the entire year is fall, so I cannot wait. I'm super excited for all these looks that I have coming up. If you like the video, don't forget, give it a like, subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.